So I come my village this morning. My mom call me say make I come help her root cassava. Ma carry garri go school. So na she be this. Say we gat eat first before we go fit go the farm cause the place far. We gat trek. So just put food for ground. We eat. My mom, that's my mom. So na the food be this. Gat eat first before we enter road. My mom, I love her and she loves me. No see food wey she prepare for me. Yeah, I don chop finish. So like this now, she come say make I go change. So I no fit use this my Christmas clothes go farm. I come say okay, no wahala. Carry my bag. I carry some kind things come before I just enter corner. Ma I go change. So the thing wey be say I see, I just gats use am. Well, na farmer I be before. So I no too reason am. Tell am say well let's go. Come back and take my bath. Wear my rain boot. Ma I no go match anything wey go injure me. See my shirt I wear for back. Turn am back again. So like this I don dey set. Let's go. Carry cutlass. Make we come dey go like this now. I just dey voltage my mom. Say today if I reach the farm everywhere na me go do all the whole work today. I don't know what's going on. So like this, I dey wait for her make we come dey go. So like this she don come. We just dey go. She just dey roll the bicycle while I dey her back. See, this is my village. It's a very small village with enough fruits, different type of fruits. If you come the village, you enjoy coming here. So na the road to our farm be this. Still dey the community sha. So we come waka before we finally come enter the farm road. We just dey the waka. Dey see people farm. Dey pass people farm cassava. Still dey go waka many meters. Waka. Don even tire sef. Strength. Food wey I chop, I don almost waka everything comot for body. Say omo. Before we come finally reach. We don reach the place wey we want to park the bicycle before we go go inside go roast the cassava. So my mother come say make we come dey go. She give me water. She carry sack. Make we come dey go do the thing. Make we quick comot because the farm quiet. So like this we just dey go. I just dey my mom back like this dey look her. She dey enter the bush. I dey follow am. I just dey pray for my mind make God come. Make this woman no dey go farm again. The thing just dey as I just dey see am dey enter the bush like this. The thing just dey touch my mind. But I no come still reason am sha. I know say na God. Everything go good. So yeah, we don finally reach the place, the cassava farm. So na the cassava be this. So my mom dey show me where I go root. Yeah, I go root. Cause say no wahala. Yeah, let's start. Oh Bob. E no easy o. So she just dey tell me where I go root follow. So na she be this. Dey root before me sef still dey root for another side. You get it? So farm work e no easy o. E no easy. People wey dey do farm una dey try. E no easy. Whether na money you take dey do am or na your physical effort, it's not easy. So na here we come dey. I dey root cassava. Don tey wey I do this thing. Don tey. I dey do am normally before. Don tey. The ground come even strong sef for you to dey root the cassava come out. Better strong work. After I come dey root I come meet one giant one. That cassava nearly take my life. Meet the giant one like this. Make I root cassava. Cassava say make I root am na. Oh Bob. Na so I root. Post am with force. Na fall yakata. Say no be lie. Say oh Bob. The thing turn my eye for there. I come say oh Bob. I'm not sure say I fit continue this thing o. Carry cutlass. Just say make I just root small. Then I'll go pack the ones wey I don root, gather am make I start to dey peel, make my mom dey root because all my hand sef don peel. So but just now for just how many years so I don turn na wa my hand don peel. Wetin come peel my hand? Cause abeg make I go pack, make I go root. So like dis I don come dey pack the cassava wey be say I don root, dey pack all of dem, make I gather dem then start to dey peel. You dey see am, pack all of dem, gather dem for one place, start to dey peel all of dem. While my mom dey root but the work no easy this one na work wey dem take dey produce garri na work wey dem take dey produce garri, e no easy. For those of una wey no know how dem take dey produce garri, those of una wey no know cassava, na dem take dey produce garri. So na the work, na the process na be dis. You see am, I don dey like dis now dey pack all the cassava wey dem don root. Cause I don tire like dis now, I no fit dey uproot, so I wan pack the ones wey I don root, make I gather dem, make I go peel. Cause e no easy again, e no easy for me. So I say make I pack dis last one, make I go sit down, make I go peel. Cause the work sef don tire me. Tell my mom say I wan peel say no wahala, go peel. So yeah, I don pack am, I don gather am, I don sit down, make I come dey peel. I just say Bob, make God just give me money This work no be work wey person dey work Say no wahala, on God. So I come dey peel peel cassava, I come peel. Before I come peel my mom sef root come still peel her own join. Before we come finally peel everything, na small e no easy The peeling dey one na you dey pick am, you dey peel am, dey comot all the kanda small. Wey be say we root and many, na so we come just do am. This one na be one of the main work. So yeah, we don peel am finish. So the sack like dis now, we wan arrange am put. We wan arrange am for the sack, we carry am go the bicycle side before we come dey go house. Una dey get the work. Like dis sef, we never even start work We reach house. Many work still dey house. Here you dey see the cassava, the ones wey we don peel. My mom just dey there arrange dem while I just dey do some videos. She just dey there arrange dem. Don arrange dem for sack. Come dey carry dem dey go one by one. See how like me, I don carry. Don dey carry dey go meet the bicycle side. Carry so but work confirm. E no easy See my mother, I just dey sorry for the woman. Make God just bring money. See we don reach here. I drop my own, come drop her. We come dey go back like dis. Go back go carry the rest. Before we come finally carry the rest one wey be say e remain. We come dey go house. So na there be dis. We don carry dem finish. So like dis now, na to carry the bicycle do am. So na so we come dey go house. Na so my day go my people.